Hello everyone, good morning. I welcome you back in the world of mathematics. I'm very happy today that we are going to continue with the maths next topic. Okay, I'm just hoping that you all have finished your science topic. It was extremely easy, simple, and direct topic, isn't it? And I'm very happy to see all your answers or the complete exercise with all diagrams and everything. Very happy. Okay, and I'm hoping that even you are feeling good that you have completed the topic of science in a short time. So in the same way, in the similar way, we will be completing a science topic in the same way in very short time we will be completing. Okay, we are not going to waste so much of time over there. Here in mathematics we will surely going to use whole lot of time to solve, to practice, to understand and to build the concepts. So today we are actually working on the next topic, that is understanding quadrilaterals. But it's a geometric topic, so it's just a beginning of geometry this year. So I don't know how much you know about geometry. So for that, few basic concepts that what you must know we will be discussing in this session today, and from tomorrow we will be working on exact actual topic. Okay, so the basic concept that what I want to know is nothing but, do you know about angles? I hope you must know about angles. This is called as acute angle. Here is right angle. Here is ठीक है. This is called as obtuse angle, and this is called as a reflex angle. Okay, fine. So let us see which angle is nothing but all these are. Okay, so for this I'll tell this one. I can say it is maybe imagine 60 degree, which is less than 90. We call it as acute angle, right? This is exactly 90, I believe. Then we call it as right angle. Here is obtuse angle because it is more than 90 degree. It is maybe 120. Imagine here is, you can understand it is 90. So it is more than 90. We call it as obtuse angle. At the same time, this one which you could see here, it's called as a reflex angle. Reflex, in fact, here is also the reflex angle. If I count the angle from outside, okay, so we can call it as a reflex angle. Similarly here, this angle is called as a reflex angle. Of course the internal angle is acute, at the same time the outer angle is nothing but the reflex angle. Reflex angle is that which is more than 180 degree. Okay, so what is 180 degree? If I want 180 degree, you can understand this is 180. From here till here, this angle is equals to 180 degree angle, and if it is more than that, okay, it is more than 180 degree, we call it as reflex angle. Okay, is this clear? You got the point? Okay, anyway, we will go ahead now. How to name the angle? I'm just going fast, please understand me, because it is just a revision of it. So I'm just going fast. How to name the angle? So here if I take A, B and here C, imagine here is P, Q and R, and here is L, M and N. Okay, how to name the angle? To name this angle we have got two ways. One is angle P, in this way you can write, or you can write angle ABC. The origin of those arms are to be written exactly at the center. Okay, the same angle can be written as CBA as well. From this side also we can say. Okay, the second angle is called as PQR. We can write it as angle Q, or angle PQR, or angle RQP. Okay, third angle we can write it as angle M, or angle LMN, or angle NML. Anyhow, the center is important here. Okay, in all the angles you must have seen the center is important. You may be asking me, sir, why we are wasting so much of time in this silly thing, but later on you will understand. When it comes to naming a critical angle, that time you will understand it is not that easy to name angles. Okay, if you feel easy, it's good, I'm happy. Okay, let's go ahead. Next type of angle that what you must know in this topic is linear pair. Okay, here is that what I'm talking about. Okay, all these are seen as a linear pair. लीनियर पेयर का मतलब क्या होता है? इट्स अ पेयर ऑफ एंगल विच इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन अ लाइन. Imagine this is a straight line and these are the two angles which are on the line. We call it as adjacent angle on the line. Okay, these are the two adjacent angles, neighboring angles, right? So these are called as a linear pair. Linear, or it is, oh sorry, linear pair. And sum of all these angles is to be equal to 180 degree. That means if I take here A and here B, A plus B is equals to 180 degree, right? Imagine if I take it 60 degree and here x plus 60 will be equal to 180 degree. Imagine it is x and here it is 2x, x plus 2x will be equal to 180 degree. All that angles are nothing but equal to 180. Imagine it is here 2x plus 10 and here 3x minus 20, right? Then 2x plus 10 plus 3x minus 20 is going to be equal to 180 degree, right? So all these are considered to be linear pair. Okay, try to understand this. Fine. But one thing is very clear, interesting thing. Okay, if I shift the 60 this side as in terms of equation, I hope you know how solving equation. So x is going to be equal to 180 minus 60. So x is going to be equal to 120 degree, right? Similarly, in this case, x plus 2x is equal to 3x is equals to 180 degree. And if I want x is equals to, it will be 180 upon 3 and that is going to be equal to 60 degree, right? Whereas in case of this question, if I take 2x plus 3x will be equal to 5x, 10 minus 20 is going to be equal to minus 10 is going to be equal to 180. Shifting this 10 that side, I get 5x is equals to 190 and I can easily find out the value of x by shifting the 5 to the other side. So basically, using the linear pair concept, you can find angles. That at least it's clear, right? So this was really interesting. It's not only about linear pair. You must have heard about angle sum property of triangle and quadrilateral in the previous grades. If you did not hear or if you don't remember, don't worry. I'm just telling you all that now. So linear pair you understood. आज का दिन एक ही काम करना है, जो प्रीवियस ईयर के कॉन्सेप्ट है उसको ही देखना है, उसको ही सीखना है, उसको ही सम सॉल्व करना है. सो डोंट वरी, एवरीथिंग टुडे विल बी कंप्लीटिंग. So imagine if I have a triangle in this manner. I have A, B, C. Imagine this angle is 60 degree. This angle is maybe 70 degree. And this is x, imagine. And I know that angle sum property of the triangle, that means sum of angles of a triangle is always equals to 180 degree. 180 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always equals to 180 degree. Okay, I hope you can remember this. So angle A is x, angle B is 60 and angle C is 70. Is it possible to find x value? Yes, it is possible. Adding this two, I get x plus 130, right, is equals to 180 degree. Shifting 130 the other side, I get x is equals to 180 minus 130, right? So what is x is equals to 50 degree. Don't you think it is a very simple thing? So the property that what I know, angle sum, that means addition of angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Once I know this property, it becomes very simple for finding any angle there. So let us combine linear pair and angle sum property of the triangle. For an example, if I take in this way, so I have some angles here. Imagine if this is 50 degree, here it is 40 degree. Okay, and this is x, this is maybe y, and this is z. Okay, and I'm asked to find out x, y, and z. Is it possible to find x, y, and z? Let us check. So let me change the color for while. Here is A, B, C, here is D, and here is E. अभी नेमिंग ऑफ द एंगल इज गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू, तो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. चलो नेमिंग भी छोड़ देते हैं, बाकी सब बाद में देख लेते हैं. इजंट इट एक्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ अ एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. एक्स इज अ एंगल ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. Okay, x is angle of a triangle, 50 is angle of a triangle, 40 is angle of a triangle. So isn't it angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, which can give me 50 B is x plus 40 is equals to 180 degree, right? So x can be here 40 plus 50 90, 90 I can shift that side. X is equals to 180 minus 90 degree. So the answer x is equals to 90 degree. That's it. Isn't it? I hope you understood. Got it. But x is not enough. तो चलो x की जगह पे 90 तो लिख लेते हैं. चलो यहाँ पे आ गया 90. अभी ठीक से देखो, मैं जिसको देखने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ उस चीज़ को देखो. इस सर्कल में ठीक से देख लो, ये जो भी दिख रहा है, डोंट यू थिंक इट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक अ लीनियर पेयर? अगर बाकी सब चीज़ें देखने का ओमिट कर दोगे तो डोंट यू थिंक y एंड 90 इज गोइंग टू बी लीनियर पेयर, राइट? है ना? सही है ना? तो अगर ये लीनियर पेयर है तो y प्लस 90 इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. क्यों? लीनियर पेयर है ना? एडिशन 180 होता है लीनियर पेयर में, तो y विल बी इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 90, तो हो जाएगा अगेन y 90. सिमिलरली इफ आई आस्क यू टू लुक एट अगेन आई टुक द सेम कलर. ओके, I'll go for green. Okay, if I want you to look at this particular color, इट इज़ अगेन अ लीनियर पेयर. डिडंट यू सी द लीनियर पेयर देयर? तो वहाँ पर भी मुझे वही आंसर मिलेगा जो यहाँ पे मिलेगा. सेम वे z, ये क्या लिया मैंने, z प्लस 40 इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. क्यों? लीनियर पेयर है. तो z विल बी इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 40, तो कितना हो जाएगा? z विल बी इक्वल टू 140 डिग्री, राइट? ये हो गया मेरा आंसर. तो यूजिंग दिस सिंपल प्रॉपर्टीज यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस. बराबर है ना? ये सिंपल सी कॉन्सेप्ट है, सिंपल, वेरी वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. तो मैं क्या बेसिकली बोल रहा हूँ, व्हाई कांट यू ट्राई सम क्वेश्चंस इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट थिंकिंग कि whether I can do it or whether I cannot do it or how difficult it is. Why don't we try these questions? Can we? So let's start. Maybe आपके लिए मुझे लगता है क्वाड्रिलेटरल अभी नहीं है, तो क्वाड्रिलेटरल के क्वेश्चंस में इसमें से इरेज कर देता हूँ. बाकी तो कर सकते हैं हम लोग. चलो, बाकी ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं आज के आज. तो मैं ये क्वेश्चन सेंड कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को. ओके, आई एम सेंडिंग ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस, डोंट वरी. एक थोड़े क्वेश्चन नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. मैं सेंड करता हूँ आपको, तो बस आपको बस वो देख के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है, ट्राई करना है. नहीं आया कल मैं ऑफकोर्स इसके सॉल्यूशंस, इसके वेज एंड इसके discussion 100% I'll be taking it. So don't worry, you try these questions today. Try it all by yourself. Okay, I know you can do it. It's all about equations, nothing else. ठीक है, मैं बस क्वाड्रिलेटरल के सम इसमें से निकाल रहा हूँ. So if you're you don't have that right now, so let's not take that. ठीक है, तो ट्राई करो, खुद से ट्राई करो. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में कुछ क्वाड्रिलेटरल का सम है क्या? है. बस ये सम में हटा दे रहा हूँ. बाकी सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं एट एनी कॉस्ट. कैन वी डू इट? चलो. सबसे पहले मुझे लगता है बस ये 8th क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है. 8th क्वेश्चन, ये टोटल एंगल है. ओके, ये जो है ये टोटल एंगल है सर. टोटल एंगल का सम कितना आता है मालूम है? 360 होता है. ओके, सो दिस एंगल प्लस दिस इज टुगेदर गोइंग टू गिव यू 360 डिग्री. सो दैट्स इट. कुछ ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. तो यू कैन ट्राई ऑल दिस क्वेश्चंस एंड सेंड द सॉल्यूशंस टू मी टुडे इटसेल्फ. आई होप यू कैन डू दैट. ओके, ज़्यादा कुछ डिफिकल्ट काम नहीं दे रहा हूँ मैं. तो चलो, ये बस मैं क्लियर कर देता हूँ एंड बाकी सारे पेजेस आपको मैं सेंड करता हूँ. ओके, थ्रू द व्हाट्सअप. तो आपको वो कंप्लीट करना है एट एनी कॉस्ट. ठीक है, क्वाड्रिलेटरल के डिफिकल्ट जो सम थे वो तो मैंने ऑलरेडी हटा दिए. आपको बस ये सारी चीज़ें कंप्लीट करनी है आज के आज. ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. टुडे का आज का काम क्या था? थोड़े से प्रीवियस कॉन्सेप्ट को रिवाइज करना. अगर आपको ये ऑलरेडी नहीं था फिर भी आई हैव टॉट दिस टू यू. ओनली आपको वो देख के थोड़ा सा अपना दिमाग लगा के सॉल्व करना है. ओके, कोई भी डाउट हो यू कैन सेंड आउट दैट डाउट टू मी. I'll just check it or I'll include that in the next video. Don't worry, we'll have discussion of all this tomorrow. Okay, see you then. Bye bye, see you tomorrow.